Hello, I am Pandit Yatharya Mithun Shastri Ogurit Tara Hoyo. Okay, have a nice day, everybody. Today I am going to share a topic about how to cleanse the negativity from your house. You know that the whole world there is divided into two parts, positive and negative. And when the negative enhanced, something problem around you has been found, and when the positive is around you, then you're laughing like me. Now is found. So how to remove the negativity from your house? You know that there are so many black eyes seeking your house on you, because in this world, in this present era, it has been found that when you grown up with the development, when you grew up with the development, when you do something better than the others, all the people surrounding you are getting tried to jealous. They are also initiate how to jealous, and everybody, and whatever I am saying here, it is clear to all of my followers, because I know that you know that when with the grace of Almighty you are going to increase something positive, then all the surrounding people must try to spoil your dignity. Okay, so don't look at them. You have to continuously perform the ritual, and you have to continuously surrender yourself on the feet of the God or goddesses. Okay, because you know that there is no other friend except God. God can change everything. God has the power. If you boost up the positive power, God will enhance your positively. And if you boost up the negative things in your life, God will enhance again the negative things in your life. It is very clear. We are not the spoonful boys here. Okay? We are intelligent, we are adults, and we know how to overcome all the situations, and we know that who are the persons and who are the persons surrounding us are getting jealous with me. So so forget them and don't look at them, because if you observe the negative persons, and if you consult, and if you are getting conversation with the negative persons, all the negativity into your heart will be highly increased. It is proved, because you know that when you are crossing across a dirty place, something dirty things will be touched to you. And when you are crossing to the positive things, some positive things or positive elements will touch to you. Coming out from the scent factory, whatever the smell coming out from your body, you know, when you threshold at the door of the factory of the scent, and you enter into the scent factory. So after coming out from the factory, what will be the scent and what will be the odor of your body coming out from? Negative persons, negative things always harm you, always tries to distract you on the right path of yours. So don't getting mixed with the conversation with those the persons who are always negative thinking. Okay? So if you find and if you think that the negative things is found into your house, how you can judge? There is sometimes quarrels without any reason. Something illness is found without reason. Something uncanny matters is happened in deep grief without any reason, then you can realize and you have to think, you have to ponder deeply, okay, that there is a negativity touched to your house. So at that time, what you have to take? Then you have to take that you have to purchase a coconut, skull coconut, okay, not dry. It's a there will be water into it, whatever the God pour into the coconut, okay. The coconut, all the skins you have to throw out, and the shield of the coconut you have to take. Next, the eggshell, you know that the eggshell, whatever it the egg that is covered, the covered of the egg, actually raw egg, okay. So eggshell, you have to make a powder of that eggshell, okay, and rub all the powder over the coconut, and you have to 7 times anti-clockwise touch all the corner of the house of each. Next, you have to anti-clockwise 7 times all the members of the family who are dwelling into that house, anti-clockwise 7 times rotate. Then you have to go to the river and throw it out. And after throwing it out, okay, you do not see the backward side of the river wherever you have thrown. Then come out, then come to the and enter to your house and wash your body, okay. Then you can feel that the negativity is it present or not. After doing this ritual, you can realize, okay. So, without getting late, do it. When you can, I know that all of my followers are very much intelligent. So, you are thinking that when we will perform the ritual, any time. There is no particular time for doing this ritual, okay? So, any time you can initiate the ritual. Okay, have a nice day, everybody, and see you again. Jai Ma.